All right, hey, we are here showcasing our 2024 spring hard goods packet, which is being put together as we speak and will be sent out to customers next week. So if you don't get yours next week or you want to make sure you're on the list, contact your sales associate and they'll make sure you get one next week. But we're going to highlight a few items in the spring packet. First, I'm actually going to start with the Prom Essentials, the 2024 Prom Essentials, which has some new items that we want to feature, which one of the selections is the ribbon. So we have the number 3 satin ribbon. These are in the flyer, but what's cool about them that you really can't see in the pictures is the metallic stitching inside. It's still kind of hard to see here, but there's 2 selections that have gold metallic, which is actually the gold on gold. So this has gold stitching in it. So you got gold and you have the shocking pink with gold. I like that. That's got a good shimmer of gold to it, if you can see it. Then we have several selections with silver stitching. You have silver, red, orchid, azalea, and pink selections. All the item codes are in the catalog. Once you get that, you can actually find it online now too. Another good thing for Prom, we have the leaf palettes that are back in stock. So these are 3 packs right on the wrist for the corsages. They are what, 3 packs, right? Where's this at on the back? Leaf palettes, yep, pack of 3. So you can find those online and in the catalog. Next, we'll move to the spring essentials. Lots of good stuff in here to highlight. Once we start to get the glass in stock, we'll show you that too so you can see it. But for now, we have the orchid plants, the phals. We got, what sizes are these? There's a 21 by 20 inch with 33 blooms. Then this one is a 19 inch by 13 inch pot with 45 blooms. These are full. These look nice. A good option for sure for decorating for the spring. And then you have this one is a 23 by 16, which has 40 blooms in it. These are all really full, really nice. Again, you can find the item codes online and you can find the catalog online and start ordering now. And we also have the potted hydrangea with the vase. So these come with the vase already in them. We got 3 colors, blue, pink, and white. And then also in the packet, we have our Easter Essentials, which has a lot of good options. So you got Easter baskets, picks. We have our vendor flyers from Syndicate and giftwares. You can find those online too and start shopping. And last thing we're putting in there is our Spring Flowers Fresh Cut Cream of the Crop list, which is a great tool to help take some of the guesswork out of ordering for the spring. So you can look at our Spring Fresh Cut Cream of the Crop list and order by that. The cutoff time is March 3rd. Yeah, March 3rd is the cutoff, and delivery starts March 18th through June 26th. So take advantage of this. It's a really good opportunity. Also, check out all the flyers we have online under the supplies page. If you need access, you can always go online and request access, shop.tvflorida.com. So if you have any questions, let us know. Thanks for watching and wish everybody a successful spring.